electric vehicle.
There is, and there continues to be a lot of talk about, the things renewable energy, resilience, what we need to do in the Caribbean, small island developing states.
So with this event here today, we are actually both signing our name and walking.
Today's occasion in handing over the first electric vehicle to the OECS, and I speak on behalf of the company I run.
So we're very happy with this small step forward, but a huge step for the Commission. And the fact that we have now walked our talk, we have every justification to urge everyone to follow. In countries like Japan, they have put out certain climate mandates that by 2025, we will no longer be producing gas vehicles.
This is an investment, and we anticipate that there will be savings. And so one of the things we are hoping to do is to use this as a test case. So we need to have, documented evidence that this really saves us energy. We need to be able to compare it to the cost of the fossil fuel buses we have, so that when we speak to the other persons who are interested, when we speak to our member states, we have a clear case study that is documented and we have scientific evidence to show that this really works.
It is good that as the OECS Commission, we can actually now see ourselves making the actual transition to electric vehicles.
Really, the future is electric.